pig. Okay. Our last candidate.
Ayan na. O, dahan-dahan.
Hello.
Ay, ito pala yung ano.
What's your name? Moshi. Okay, Moshi, you have one number only, okay? The question, you're ready for question? Okay. English na naman. Okay. Moshi, the question is, if you saw a litter or toy on the floor, what would you do?
Clean up.
Clean up. What will you use to clean it up?
Put on the box.
Put on the box. Wow. Okay, Moshi, that's all. Thank
Thank you very
you.
much, Moshi. Grabe ang mga
Ang tatalino naman ng mga ating bibong bolilid. So we're done to our